In the town of Wordville, everyone had a special job. Nina the Noun was the town's name giver. She named people, places, and things. "This is a dog," she said. "That is a tree." She loved naming everything. Victor the verb was always moving. He ran, jumped, and danced all over town. "I love action," he shouted. Or Andy the adjective liked to describe things. "That's a big tree. That's a happy dog," he said. "Everything needs color and detail." Ava the adverb helped Victor move in different ways. "Run quickly, jump high, dance gracefully," she cheered. Penny the pronoun gave Nina a break. Instead of saying, "Nina, Nina, Nina" all the time, she said, "She is smart," or "They are playing." Peter the preposition showed where things were. "The ball is under the table, the cat is on the roof." Connie the conjunction helped connect words and ideas. "I like apples and bananas," she said. "Do you want to play now or later?" Izzy the interjection was full of surprises. "Wow, that was fun!" she shouted. "Oh, look at that!" One day, Wordville was in trouble. The words got all mixed up. Nobody knew what to say. "Run slowly, apples, under big jump, wow!" It didn't make sense. But the parts of speech worked together. Nina found the right nouns. Victor put action in the right place. Andy and Ava described things properly, and Connie connected them all. At last, the town was back to normal. Izzy cheered, "Hooray, we did it!" And from that day on, everyone in Wordville worked together to make perfect sentences.
Thank you for watching.